Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. So here I would like to present the article, the one that I have read and also reviewed regarding to the course that we have, English Proficiency for Teachers. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna explain you the change of reasoning, the one that the elements of research have. The first one is about the change of reasoning, the title and the problem. Let me show you the title first. Yeah, the title from the article that I have read is about project-based learning in Indonesian EFL classrooms from theory to practice. Okay, let me show you the articles first. Okay, hold on. Okay, here is the article. Yeah, I have accessed the article from Indonesian Journal of English Education website from UIN Jakarta, and then it is written by Justinus Calvin Guy Mali in 2016. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, that's it. Let's go back to the slide. Okay, talking about the change of reasoning of the title and also the problems. Let me show you the problems. Yeah, here are the problems that raised in this research or in this study. So why was the PBL approach selected to design the projects? And then how is the implementation? And then what pedagogical practice that can teachers do? So these three problems are explicitly stated from the keywords of the title. As we could see, the title is talking about PBL or project-based learning and also from theory to practice. So they are coherent and explicit each other. Okay, the second one, the change of reasoning among problem and also the purpose, because I have already showed you the problem. So let me show you the purpose. Okay, without paraphrasing the purpose, there are three purposes here that I found in this article. Since there are three research questions being raised, so the purpose are also three. Yeah, the first one is justify why the PBL approach was selected, and then to explain the implementation, and then to share to the reader some pedagogical practice of PBL that can be used by the teachers. So the problem and also the purpose are also coherent and explicitly related each other. And then for the next one, problem and method. Although the method is not stated in the article directly, I can conclude from the research that the writer is conducting a descriptive analysis because he would like to know the theory of PBL and then how the practice is it. So it means that the method being used here is coherent and suitable with the research problems being raised. Okay, for the next one, problem and also the data and also, oh, sorry. Problem with the data and the data sources. Okay, I will explain these two change of reasonings on the same time because they are related each other. Yeah, okay, let me show you the data. Since the problems are like, what is it? Why the PBL are used, and then how the implementation, how the practice, what is the practice. So the data, were taken from two different courses, creative writing and also second language acquisition practice from Dunia University Indonesia in Banyumas. So since these two courses are conducting PBL for their final project, so yeah, it is coherent and explicitly used between the data and also the problem. For the chaining of reasoning data and data sources, the data sources are, of course, the creative writing classes from that course and also second language acquisition classes from that course. So it is coherent and also explicit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, for the last change of reasoning, it is about the data and also the instrument. Yeah, since the data is the process of PBL of the project based learning, which is conducted in creative writing course and also second language acquisition course. Yeah, actually, in observing, so the instrument is conducted as observation. There are 5 stages that is conducted in the course. As you could see here on the creative writing class, the first one, students are working in group of 2 until 3 students and then write a poem, illustrate into poster, and then they did online review on the online gallery to give feedback or motivation, and then they presented their poster in front of the classroom. Meanwhile, in the second language acquisition course, they conducted library study, same as in creative writing. They work in group and then discuss and review related papers and then write and report in the form of paper. So the PBL on the SLA class is writing a report, writing a paper. And then the next they present in front of the classroom, and then the last stage is they did the peer assessment among the students. Okay, yeah, that's all from my explanation about change of reasoning on the article that I have read. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.